As LynxCare, we're not just an SME, so we're also a data partner. So we were heavily involved in the ETL mapping of many hospitals back home in Belgium, but also in the Netherlands, a bit even in the US. So as a next phase, what we see within the mapping is essentially enabling research. So at this point of time, it is not just doing the ETL mapping, but essentially enabling research. For that, you need a lot of outcome data as well. That's why we started doing NLP to essentially help data partners to essentially complement their data warehouse with outcome data. And the outcome data from the unstructured data that are heavily needed for example, doing RWE research around the globe. So the next phase, what we see is, okay, NLP complementing the data warehouses with NLP and unstructured data, and then next to that, facilitating research, doing more and more studies on a global level, but also on a European level, for example, within the Darwin network and others. And last but not least is also the national nodes. I think we were heavily involved in creating the Belgian national node. Also in a few other countries kickstarting that same initiative, and then facilitating not just research for example, the EMA on a global level, but also for national authorities, for example, for payer negotiations and everything like that. I think that's a crucial phase that makes essentially the OMOP and the data warehouses sustainable in the long term, is complementing it with outcome data, NLP, and then essentially facilitating research also on a local level. Thank you.
Hello everyone, we are Hospital Universitario de Octubre from Madrid in Spain. I am Miguel Pedrera, Head of Data Science Unit in the hospital, and with me is Teresa Garcia from Scientific Support Unit, and we were working in the development and implementation of the OMO repository within the EHDEN consortium in our hospital.
With the completion of the ETL process, we want to move on the phase to information explanation, which is the most interesting to be able to generate evidence through morbidity and mortality data and dissemination of the information obtained from the analysis. Therefore, we would like to receive proposal for studies from EHDEN consortium and then participate through our implemented and validated OMOP repository.
We at the Center for Surgical Science in Denmark are really excited to start using our finalized CDM to create reliable evidence based upon our national registers. We're really excited about all the possibilities that both the OHDSI tools and the EHDEN teachings allow us to do, and we are looking forward to both contribute to the community and also work together with our clinical team in creating the evidence needed for better patients' care.